All right, so I just really want to thank Marriage Helper for everything that y'all done for me, um, for so many nights, sleepless nights, crying, all of that. Having Marriage Helper YouTube channel and then learning about the workshop and finally being able to actually go through this workshop is definitely what I needed. Being able to get all the information all at once definitely gives me the tools and everything to help make my marriage work and last. And I'm forever grateful. I would have done anything to get this type of information to help me in my life. So I really want to thank y'all. Everybody's been so genuine and so sincere. And the fact that, when you talk to somebody and you just really care and you really, really listen to them and you, doesn't matter who they are, what background they are, I just feel like y'all are the most sincere company and I would even work for you if I could. But I just really enjoy everything that I learned here, and I'm just forever grateful for everything that y'all have done because without you, I feel like me and my husband probably wouldn't get to the point where we are now. And I really think that's because of Marriage Helper.